Looking for make and freeze recipes for Ramadan? You're in the right place. We understand the significance and convenience of preparing meals ahead of time. Today, we'll be sharing 10 fabulous make-ahead and freeze recipes perfect for Ramadan. Without further ado, let's dive into these delicious, time-saving recipes. First up, we have a hearty lentil soup. Begin by sautéing onions and garlic. Then add lentils, spices, and broth. Simmer until lentils are tender. Puree to your liking. It freezes well, perfect for iftar. Delicious and nutritious, this lentil soup is a must-try. Next, we have colorful and tasty stuffed bell peppers. Start by hollowing out the peppers. Fill them with a blend of spices, rice, and ground meat. Freeze them raw. They cook beautifully straight from the freezer. Stuffed bell peppers are a wholesome meal that's sure to be a hit at your iftar table. Third on our list are the crowd favorite spinach and cheese samosas. Start by sautéing spinach and onions, mix in crumbled cheese, and wrap the mixture in pastry sheets. After a quick freeze, they're ready to be fried or baked. These spinach and cheese samosas are a delightful treat to break your fast with. And that's a sneak peek into the world of make and freeze recipes for Ramadan. We've explored lentil soup, stuffed bell peppers, and spinach and cheese samosas. Give them a try for a stress-free Ramadan. Stay tuned for more make and freeze recipe ideas. Until then, happy cooking and Ramadan Mubarak.